Assalamu alaikum, my future scientist. I am Dr. Hasna Mashal and welcome to Al Muslim As-Saghir Academy. Today we are going to explore the most exploding topics on the earth, volcanoes. Are you ready to see some fire and lava? Let's go! Do you remember our last trip to the center of the earth? What was that hot melty layer under the crust called? Yes, it's mantle. Exactly. And what do we call that melted rock inside it? Of course, it is a magma. Okay, now imagine the Earth's crust has a tiny cracks. What do you think that hot squeezed magma will do? Yes, it is like a soda bottle you have shaken up. It wants to pop out. When it shoots out through the crust, we call this a volcano. Did you know the magma, it is a bit like a secret agent? It has a two name. Inside the earth, it is called magma. But outside the earth, it is called lava. Okay, let's look at this diagram. Page 76. A volcano isn't just a mountain, it is a factory of fire. Can you find these parts? The vent or pipe? Yes, it's here. The vent or the pipe, it is the tunnel that magma travels through. It ended by the crater. The crater is the big hole at the top, where everything explodes. We also have a secondary cone. Secondary cone, it is the tiny or baby volcano on the side of the main volcano. Look at this photo. What is the gray cloud called? Yes, it is just smoke. No, it is a volcano ash, burned lava. It is so light, it can travel for miles. Do you see these red triangles? Each one is a volcano. Do you see how they form a big circle around the Pacific Ocean? Do you see it? We call this Pacific ring on fire. Why fire? Because it is where volcanoes wake up. Why are there so many here? What do you think? We see before that is where we find the cracks in the crust, we will find a volcano. So there is many volcanoes here because this is where Earth's crust has the most cracks in the world. Where there is a cracks, there is a chance for a volcano. Okay? Look at the photograph. It is shown what happens after a volcano erupts. It looks sad, doesn't it? The trees are gone and the houses are damaged. The country with the most risk is Indonesia. Long ago in 1812, a volcano named Mount Tambria erupted there. It was so huge, it affected the whole world. Now, imagine you are a reporter standing near a volcano. You see a smoke, lava, and you might think, oh no, this only scared. But wait, look at the diagram on page 18. It is like a puzzle with two colors. Discuss with me the negative and the positive effect of volcano. Let's look at the top of the mountain. What do you see here? Yes, it is the ash and a hard lava. The ash and the hard lava lumps can hurt people. Lava is so hot, burn houses and crops. Look at the people hills. Breathing the gases and the ashes can make them very ill. But look at the bottom of the mountain. Here in this parts, you will find many green crops. Yes, something magic is happening. There is a super soil. Lava and ash actually fertilize the soil. It makes the crops grow very well. It likes vitamins for plants. Also, we have our other positive effects. We will find free energy. The underground water gets so hot from the magma that we can use it to make electricity or heat houses. Another positive effect, tourism. People travel from all over the world to see volcanoes. This creates jobs for the local people. Okay? So, if you were a farmer, would you take the risk and live near a volcano to have the super soil or no? Now, it is the time for a challenge. We have two suspects, volcano A and volcano P. Let's see if you can identify them. Case A, Mount Etna. Cloud is a huge cloud of ashes and jets of lava shouting 200 meters high. The questions. Does this sound like a flat plateau or a tall mountain with the layers? Yes, it is a composite volcano because it has ash and lava. Okay. Case B. Cloud. Lava poured out of a long crack for 3 days and formed a huge flat layer. Our questions. If the lava is flat like a table, what do we call? Yes, exactly. It is a volcanic plateau. Okay. Look at the map again and why does Sicily volcano A has eruption? Remember our secret. Yes, of course, it is because there is a crack in the Earth's crust. Right there. Okay. Now, let's draw a big letter T on your paper. On one side, write yay, and on the other side, write on no. Yay, volcano is good soil for farming. Also, hot water for electricity. Also, tourists bring money. Oh no, lava burns building, ashes makes people sick, and poisonous gases in water. Okay? Okay. That is our adventure for today. at Al Muslim Asagir Academy. We learned, we loved, and we see the greatness of Allah. If you want to do more fun science, it checks the number on screen and join my classes. I am Dr. Hasna Mashal. Stay smart and see you in the next time. Bye bye.